Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Miko, Market Center Tech Trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to use Bressers to check for phone numbers on the Do Not Call list. Now, to access Bressers, you're going to go to onlinedirectoryproduct.com. From here, you'll log in using our credentials, KW10059, and the password 10059. Be sure to agree to the user agreement and click Sign In. Once you're in, you'll be here on the Directory tab, and you'll be able to search by area code and phone number if you know the full phone number, whether it's a residential or business number. Now, if I were to just search by an area code, because right now I'm not going to enter a full number, you'll click search and notice it says you must either enter a county, city, or zip code. So if you know the zip code of the phone number that you're looking for, you'll need to put that in, or the county if it's Broward, or the city if it's, maybe Fort Lauderdale or Aventura, whatever you're looking for. And you'll click on the search button to pull up your results. And then it will let you know whether or not that phone number is on the Do Not Call list or if it's okay to contact. Our office has subscribed to Do Not Call data for the following area codes: 305, 786, 954, 754, and 561, making up Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. The Do Not Call list for these area codes is updated daily. Please be advised that if you are creating call lists for areas outside of these area codes, you will not receive Do Not Call list scrubbing. For any agent who wishes to create call lists for other area codes, please be certain that the database you obtain has been pre-scrubbed against the federal Do Not Call list. Remember, when finished with your searches, please log out of the Bressers service. This will ensure the service is available for other agents to use.